Right, welcome back to another one from Advancing Car. Today Owen's been working on this Mazda CX30 74 plate, sorry. Nice new one in lovely Mazda red, cracking colour. And this is a returning customer of ours. He's come back and we've done 4 of his cars with dash cams and things. He's a driving instructor, so really useful. But it's just a quick one, just to remind you that we work on all ranges of vehicles. So this has had a U3000 today. Obviously it's got its 4K, I'm going to read the box, I'm going to cheat. It's got 4K front camera, 2K rear camera. It's got a built-in radar, so it helps with the parking mode and the prolonged parking mode, because you can put it in like an energy saving mode. And then it's got all its other features and things. I think this one connects to the new parking app and stuff that you can get. That's the Wi-Fi featured one and things. So yes, all does its job nicely. Sits in nice with the car, all fits in, standard procedure really. Front camera gets fitted nicely, so it's in line with the rear view mirror, so it's not distracting or anything when you're driving. And obviously the rear camera goes nice and high at the back, so again it's not distracting in your rear view when you're looking out the rear window. Smart bit of kit, it's going to work well. And with the new app that comes with this newer generation of camera as well, it's really nice to use. The old one was good, but it was just a little bit clunky in places, and we had a few customers that would say, oh, it's a bit annoying. But this new version, Thinkware have obviously done a lot of effort, put a lot of R&D into it, if you like, and made it a really nice user interface, basically. Really easy to connect to, really easy to find all your footage and download it, more importantly. So yes, hopefully, as always, as he has been in the past, he'll be really happy with it. Nice tidy install from Owen, as always. Yeah, again, if you've got something like this at Mazda, anything really, we can fit a dash cam into pretty much everything. So just give us a shout, get onto that contact form, keep checking out all the other videos, and we'll see you again soon.